Okay, guys,
I need to
we're
run to
about to
this
get
website
an
now and
EAS.
saw what's new here in Atlanta. It seems like it's rain.
Wait, here comes the EAS. What the?
The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Atlanta Police Department. A tall, faceless man has been lurking around John Gary Elementary School. The police were called, but the man disappeared and his whereabouts are unknown. The school is on lockdown. If you are indoors, stay indoors. If you are outdoors, seek shelter. The intentions of the man are unknown. Do not approach him, as he is considered to be extremely dangerous. Stay tuned for more updates.
Okay, guys, I'm out of here. I'm getting out of here.